하이코코. Hi beauties! Welcome to Hikoco's channel. Today we have a special guest, Yule!
I'm Yule. I'm 12 years old and I go to Murray's Bay Intermediate. I'm a really big Hikoco fan.
Right, because a few months ago I found the one Instagram account that actually promoting Hikoco, and I found out that the teenager girl is doing that for us. Right, so did you bring all your beauty products that you have?
Yeah. This is my bag that I take to school. So this is my pouch
Oh my
that
gosh.
I use every day for school.
Cute.
It's just some perfume.
Oh, perfumes.
So this is face mist for when my face gets dry. And this is lip balm, sunscreen.
Oh.
Like maybe before I go to do PE. And this is a light lip tint that I use sometimes, and it kind of makes your lip look shiny. And this is just some blush. Just pat it and do like that.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
I actually brought my stuff.
Oh.
I didn't know what to bring, so I just brought everything.
Okay.
So I got my cleansing, the one I used to wash my face, because it was actually like this big.
What?
I forgot my other stuff because I was in a rush this morning.
It's okay, but you still got a lot with you.
Yeah.
Got so many lip tints.
Actually, these all my auntie got it for me.
Oh my god, you got such a nice auntie. Do you wear makeup every day?
Not every day.
So do you have like a daily skincare routine?
Yeah, so I use face wash, and after I wash my face, I use this moisture pad.
You're really well educated.
After that, I use this lotion.
It's also antibiotic for you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Sometimes use
Face mist.
face mist.
Oh.
It's a must-have for tints and like lip tints and lip stuff.
Like in my childhood, like back in my generation, we always bring little tints to the school. Every time in the morning, we just do it and just smudging it up. It's because if we got it caught by a teacher, like we'll get detention, just rub it out and smudging it. And in the lunchtime, we just do another layer on top of it. So it's sort of like more vivid, more colors on the lips. And at the time, I feel like I look really pretty with the tint on.
These days, well, my school doesn't really allow any sort of makeup, and they're really strict. Even like nail polish, they're not allowed, and it's really strict. But at my old school, the kids there, they put a lot of like eyeliner. They use eyeliner.
Teenagers, like 13, 12, little kids applied
Yeah.
eyeliner. Okay. When do you wear makeup?
If I'm either going out with a friend or it's like someone's wedding or and also tomorrow I'm going to Takapuna with my friends, so I will probably be wearing makeup.
What are you gonna do in Takapuna tomorrow?
Drink.
Drink.
Bubble tea.
Bubble teas. Now I've seen all Kiwi teens makeup items and skincare as well. Now it's my time to show you the Korean typical teenagers looking.
Actually, at our school there's international students from Korea, China, Japan, and they all like have the same kind of makeup style.
Right.
Yeah.
They got like a fringe or bang.
Yeah.
Yeah. and like black long hairs and really red lips, white pale skin tones. Let's go! So this is like a really essential beginner's kit. So you can find the toner cream.
So do I just do it with my hand? I don't know how much to put.
A few moments later.
뭐 바르지도 않았네. 어? 아무것도 없어 너 얼굴에. 입술도 발라야지 이렇게. Half is done by you. Half I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So the tone-up cream is make your skin tone to be brighter, as they deserve to get bright, white, pale skin tones. You can use same amount. You can just tap.
So moisturizing.
Yeah.
My skin is whiter on this side.
I use number 23 of COSRX Blemish Cover Cushion. It's perfect for the teenagers as they tend to get a breakout or blemishes or acne, because that's the age they normally get a lot of acne, but I can't actually tell from your skin. Dabbing to get them out and tap.
It feels really like brighter and moisturized now.
Do you think you can do it every day? Because it's really easy to do. So if you've got a minute extra in the morning, you can just do it. Or you're on the bus to go to school, you can just do really quickly with this. And the next up is eyeshadow. So I just gave you to try the 16 brands one. It's because this one is really easy to use. We use the light pink shadow all over your eyelid and choose the darker brown tones for close to your eye line.
Oh, because of the dark eyeshadow, it makes my eyes look much bigger and like brighter.
The next up is a lip makeup. I chose the Airy Velvet number 15, like this. So Airy Velvet is really easy to do the blending. Only Korean girls doing the gradient lip. So I'm starting with the inside of your lip. It's with you. Just keep blending out. Just apply really little inside of your lips and just blend in with the cotton buds. And for the blusher, you already got your blushers with you, but if someone doesn't have blusher, especially for the makeup beginner, they can't actually buy a whole lot. Normally I'm using same lip tint for your blush. Did you know that? Right, some leftover on my finger, and what I do is I quickly dab on your cheek, and with other fingers keep dabbing. That's all for the daily makeup. It's easy, right?
너만 보인단 말이야. 널 사랑한단 말이야. 눈을 감아도 너만 보인단 말이야.
And tomorrow, since I'm going out with my friend, I'll try to do this look. So yeah. So it was really easy and interesting to know how that I can do the daily makeup, how you can use the lip tint as a blush. I like the eyeshadow, and I also learned how to do the lip gradient today.
Do you think you can do it tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll try to do that.
Alright.
Thank you for teaching me how to do this look.
Alright, and that's all yours. You can take it with you, so you can just do it tomorrow.
As I'm a beginner and I was actually kind of nervous.
No, you did a good job.
Yeah, and it was really easy to follow these steps. So I hope you guys can also watch this video and follow the simple steps. And comment down below if you have any further questions. And stay tuned.
Like us, subscribe.
If you have any further questions.
괜찮아.
If you have any further questions, comment down below. Like, subscribe, and stay
tuned. Bye, beauties. Let's be pretty.